and welcome back to Mouthful, the cocktail and cooking show with me, Lisa Potter-Dixon.
And me, Dominic Franks.
Now we are getting into the colder season. It's getting chilly.
Why I'm wearing a tropical shirt.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm wearing a sequin shirt because we're basically about to get fireworky. Is that a saying? We're about to get
fireworky.
Me and my English degree again with the words fireworky.
This one is all about bonfire night and getting cozy with a nice mug of something gorgeous.
Yes, and talking of that mug of something gorgeous, for me it's going to be a gorgeous rum cranberry drink that is warm and toasty. And what about you, Dom?
I'm making toffee apples.
Oh, I love a toffee apple. Okay, let's go. Right, so when it is cold outside, I love an ice cold drink, okay, at the best of times, but when it is chilly, or if you're having fireworks in your garden or whatever, it's nice to have something warm. So that's what we're gonna do with this little rum punch.
Kind of like a hot toddy.
Exactly.
Nice.
So we're not actually gonna put the alcohol in it yet because that'll burn it away. Pointless.
We don't want to do that.
We don't. But we're gonna start with some cranberry juice. So I'm gonna pour this into a pan. And I'm just gonna do, I mean, this is that's about 750 ml in here.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add a bit of spicy flavour.
What spices are we putting in?
Okay, cloves.
Love.
Cloves. Do you love a clove?
Yeah, I
See,
do.
the smell of it is just incredible, isn't it? Anyway, I'm gonna put about 3 cloves in. The flavour of them is really strong, so we don't need much. And then a gorgeous cinnamon stick. Aren't they just like the best?
Absolutely. Cinnamon is the bark of a tree.
Is it really? I am learning something new every single time we film. Then I'm going to squeeze half a lemon into it just to add a little bit of a citrus taste. Because again, lemon is just, oh.
That'll stop it being too sweet as well.
Yeah, exactly. So a little bit of that. I'm actually, that wasn't a very generous lemon, so I'm going to do the other half as well.
Okay.
And then we're going to take it over to the hob and we are going to heat it up. This smells so good. You can really smell the cinnamon, the cloves, the cranberry. It's lovely. But now for the rum. I'm actually taking the Appleton Estate Jamaican rum, which I think is
gorgeous.
A good one. And we're going to pour it in now. About 4 shots of that. That's probably not enough, actually, is it? There we go. And then give it a little stir. Take it off the heat. Let it cool down for just, I don't know, 30 seconds. You want it to be warm. Let's not burn the mouths of our guests. And then we're going to pour it into our cups. Right, let's bring this over here.
I've got to say, it smells so good.
And now I'm actually going to ladle it into my lovely coffee cups.
Tip it up.
Thank you. We love having non-matching coffee cups in this house. So I'm going to do...
But they're the real kind of mug that you can hug with 2 hands.
It's true, and also you don't really want to be putting this into glass, do you? Because, well... Right guys, come and have a mouthful of this. Let's have a mouthful. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Hug in a mug, isn't it?
Oh, it really is.
Sorry, a hug in a mug. So good. That is so delicious.
Nice.
That is good, isn't it? Delicious. Okay, that's gonna go wonderfully with a good old toffee apple.
Let's do it. Okay, it is toffee apple time.
I haven't had a toffee apple, I'm gonna say, since I was about 6.
Really?
Yeah, I really don't think I have.
Oh, they're so good. They're so delicious. Very easy to make, but there are a few processes that we have to do first.
Okay.
Okay. The first one is that most apples, they have this kind of shine to them. It's like a waxy residue, and you've got to get rid of that or the toffee won't stick.
Ah.
So I've got a bowl of hot water and just literally just dip them
Sorry,
in
asbestos hands. Was that not like hurting your hands?
and just dry them off.
Okay. Oh, it looks even shinier. How
know.
lovely. Who knew, Dom? Imagine if you'd made your toffee and you'd put it on your apple and it slid right off.
I mean, that would be rubbish, right?
It'd be
Who
very
wants
annoying.
that?
It'd be very annoying. It'd be a toffee and an apple, not a toffee apple. What are you doing now then?
Right, now we're going to put the stalks in, the kind of lollipop sticks.
I was put in charge of getting these. You told me to go and collect twigs from at the park.
And what does she get?
Professional lolly sticks. Right,
Although the lovely twig that we got for our camembert pumpkin was pretty cool.
that's true. Right, so what are you doing? Twisting it in. Twist it in, don't press too hard on the table.
There you go.
And that's that.
Right, now we've got our
Oh, there we go, her apples.
We've got our apples prepared. Now we're going to make the toffee.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the first thing that's going to go in is 400 grams of sugar. Ooh. Just plain golden caster sugar, before you ask. And then 100 ml of water.
Wow.
Yeah.
The kids' TV host is back. The Blue Peter edition of Dom has come back to life.
And then we're going to stir this around until the sugar melts.
This is a bit dangerous, this thing in your hand.
It's a sugar thermometer.
Yeah, but why are you...
So kids, you need a sugar thermometer. And if you don't have one, I'm going to show you a little trick to tell when the toffee becomes toffee.
Imagine though, if I was actually just a really good singer and you didn't know it. Let me try, right? Let me try. Baby, you're a fire.
Right, we've got some lovely apple cider vinegar, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of that in here.
Hold on. Correct.
1. And then 4 tablespoons of the most glorious stuff in the world.
Oh, isn't it good? Aren't you so happy they've made it in a I'm not happy about the plastic, but the squeezy jar.
Yeah.
Because those jars, like the metal ones, get so sticky, it's ridiculous.
Right, and because... Like,
is this it? Is that how you make toffee?
Yeah. And then obviously because there's some stuck on that spoon,
Add a bit of
I'm just gonna
extra.
add a little bit of extra. Just,
Set a sugar thermometer
yeah.
in the pan and boil to 150 degrees Celsius, or what's known as the hard crack stage. Basically, if you haven't got a thermometer, you need to take a mini bowl with cold water and a spoon. You're going to drop the toffee shortly into the bowl, and if it cracks, it's ready. Why? I'm scared.
Okay, let it set.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Look. Wow. That's so cool. Can I eat that?
And then if you leave it for a couple of minutes, it should get really hard.
Yeah, it will. Oh my god, that's so good.
Okay, let's do it. We are ready. This bit's super, super hot. And I know I've said it before, but I just think like, even though the kids probably want to do it, because you want to
Don't let them. They can do the other bit.
And you just roll
Whoa.
it like that.
So we've got some rainbow sprinkles. Oh my goodness. So it's got to be hot when you do this, right? Oh my god. Come on, dip it in a bit of glitter. It's edible glitter, as you can imagine.
I think maybe,
Oh, I love it. Look at it. Oh my goodness.
listen to how that is going to crack.
Your teeth. Right, guys, are you ready for a mouthful of this?
Yeah.
I mean, this is delicious.
Oh. That's gonna sound a bit.
It's brought back so many memories. Should we end this episode or
Oh yeah.
keep passing the apples around?
Happy bonfire night, everyone.
Have an amazing time, enjoy, and let us know if you made it. See you next time. Bye.